We might not think twice about seeing a few monarch butterflies during the summer and early fall months, but in 2022, they made their way onto the endangered species list. Dr. Gasha Landis, professor of environmental science, has been working at SUNY Cobleskill for 10 years. He sheds light on the recent status of the monarch butterfly.
They feed on milkweed, right? So that makes them an important part of the food chain as an herbivore. They're often then eaten by other animals as well, which is important in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems.
Some predators of monarch caterpillars are ants, spiders, birds, wasps, and even each other if they are being raised in numbers.
Anytime we lose any species, we lose the important connections that they have in the ecosystem webs that we have. So there's many connections that they have both to the plants that they would eat that would then grow without that herbivore keeping them in check, and then as well the predators that eat the caterpillars, the larvae, would be missing a food source.
Not only would predators be missing a food source, but humans would be missing a food source too. We would be missing fresh oranges, pumpkins, apples, berries, avocados, and much more.
They have a specific relationship with milkweed, right? Part of the goal is to conserve milkweed populations.
It would be difficult to picture a world without monarch butterflies. Raising and releasing monarchs is very rewarding, so add that to your summer bucket list next year. Butterflies love flowers, so if you want to see some monarch butterflies up close, plant some zinnia seeds next spring. Reporting for SUNY Coby News, I'm Lauren Howard.